So what we want to do now is just see how the plans appear on the actual month. So if we jump to the month of January, we see the blue area where we show the parcels, like grocery bags coming in. This is what we anticipate every single month coming in to our money kitchen. But of course, it gets consumed. So we're not going to jump to the plan area, it's our planned consumption. And in terms of planned consumption, let's start with food. And let's say we do grocery shopping weekly. How much do we spend on groceries?
I'd say probably 150 a week would make sense.
Okay, 150 a week it is. And then we also, eating out is also a good thing, but we don't know when we're going to do that. Say I don't know, 200 a month?
Yeah, that makes sense.
Or every 2 months, or bi-monthly, 200 bi-monthly, okay?
Actually, instead, let's just do it every month we do $200.
Sounds good. Okay, clothing, that can be all over the map, so we'll just allocate $250 per month for clothing. For shelter, we can be a little more specific. We know the rent is $775.
And we have that every month.
That's right. And then
our utilities, what were you having for utilities?
About $375 a month.
That's about right.
Okay, now for transportation, there's the insurance, which is about $120 a month. And then there's gas. And gas we pay probably about 100
Nope, probably 250 because I would do a lot of driving.
250 per month, okay? And then maintenance is all over the map. So let's say about $1,000 a year for repairs.
So right.
Oh yeah, and don't forget, we also put registration, the car registration licensing, and we do that once a year, and that's about $100.
And then also too, I think it was what, $119.34 if I remember correctly, for our insurance.
Right. Okay, so all those numbers are summarized again on the right, and if we look to the month of January now, we see that all those numbers appear in our planned expenses for the month of January, in fact for the whole year.